Child, it's day 7 in the Devyn Michaels trial, and we have a verdict. After a long, confusing roller coaster 7-day trial, we have a verdict, and she was found guilty of this charge in this trial. Now, I don't really know how the jury came to this conclusion. I don't know what discussions they were having. I was mostly confused, and I think that the defense did a very good job trying to defend her, trying to poke holes in their investigation, calling into question some of the lack of investigation they had done, pointing the finger at other suspects to try to bring some reasonable doubt, but the jury wasn't swayed. Now, it could have been her own words saying that she did hit him in the head with something, but that he was still alive when she left. Devyn girl, child, you did this for real? And then went home. And how she cleaned up so good? Child. But on another note, as soon as the verdict was read, the judge asked if any of the attorneys wanted to have the jury polled, and that happens typically at the end of a trial like this, to which all attorneys said no, including the defense. Also, the defense attorney was shaking his head, nodding his head in agreement when the verdict was read, as if he knew that this would be the verdict. And as soon as the judge dismissed everyone, both defense attorneys jumped up, gathered their things, and headed straight out of the courtroom. They didn't even look at Devyn.
A.k.a. Nikki Fairchild, a.k.a. Tracy Baker, a.k.a. Tracy Nicole Tavares, defendant. Case number 8 in the above entitled case, find the defendant, Devyn Jade Michaels, as follows. Count 1, murder with use of a deadly weapon. Guilty of first-degree murder with use of a deadly weapon. Dated this 14th day of November, 2025, signed, Aaron Gilded. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, is this your verdict as read? So say you one, so say you all.
Yes.
Does either side desire to have the jury polled?
No, Your Honor.
This matter, the right to a trial by jury is a right that's guaranteed in the Constitution, but it's a right that we cannot deny without our citizens like you being willing to sit and serve your civic duty as jurors. I do appreciate the time that you exercised on behalf of the court and the parties. I want to thank you for the time and attention. I know that this was a lot that we asked you to do, so if you guys could follow the marshal to the back, and I'll come back and formally excuse you from jury duty. All right, from jury. Okay, this matter is going to be referred to the Division of Criminal Probation, set down for sentencing on
January 8th at 9 a.m.
All right?
Thank you.
Thank you. And I'm going to go back.
Girl, what you do to them? Now, I don't know if she had been on their nerves the entire time, or they didn't have a good rapport, or even that they really thought she did it. But they didn't even acknowledge her when they walked out of that courtroom. Anyway, continue to follow me for updates on other trials, and let's see what's to come. Bye-bye.